In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add followers in Asana. If you've ever wished stakeholders could stay up to date on a task without assigning it to them, this is exactly what you need. In Asana, these followers are called collaborators. Collaborators receive notifications when something important changes on the task, like new comments, due date updates, or when the task is completed. It's a simple way to keep everyone aligned and reduce back and forth messages. Start by opening the task you want others to track. From your project or My Tasks list, click the task title. This opens the task details in a pane on the right side of your screen. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct task. Check the title, description, and any subtasks or attachments to make sure the right people will be following the right work. With the task details open, scroll to the bottom of that right-hand pane. You're looking for the collaborators section. This area typically shows small profile icons for anyone who's already following the task, along with an option to add more. If your task is long, don't worry, just keep scrolling until you reach the section labeled collaborators. If you don't see it, you may need to expand the pane slightly or ensure you have permission to view the task's details in your workspace. Next, click the Add Collaborator button, which appears as a plus sign next to the existing collaborator icons. This is your quick control for adding followers. Using this option, you can include the teammates who need visibility, such as a manager who wants progress updates, or a partner from another team who depends on the outcome. As soon as they're added as collaborators, they'll start receiving the relevant task notifications in their Asana inbox, helping them track updates without having to check in manually. A couple of tips as you work: adding someone as a collaborator does not change the assignee or the task owner. It simply keeps that person in the loop. This is great for stakeholders who need awareness but aren't responsible for doing the work. Also, collaborators can view the task based on your workspace's sharing settings, so it's best to add people who already have access to the project or team. If notification volume is a concern, remind your collaborators they can manage their notification preferences in Asana to suit their workflow, and that's all it takes. Open the task, find the collaborators section, and use the plus icon to add the followers you need. This tiny habit can make a big difference in transparency and momentum across your projects.